Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change font style in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change font style in Telegram, first open up a Telegram app, and after opening, guys, open the chat box of the person on which you want to change font style in Telegram after send a message. And over here, guys, now in order to change the font style, first we'll be required to type the message over here. For example, I'll be typing the mate. And after typing your message, guys, in order to change the font style of your message over here, tap and hold on the message and select the message of which you want to change the font style. And the moment you select your message, guys, you can see this kind of box appearing on Telegram. So select the message of which you want to change the font, and when this appears, at the right side of the code there is a three-line icon available for us. Tap on that three-line icon, and this kind of text will appear where you will be able to choose the text on Telegram from over here like this. Currently we are on the regular. Now in order to change your font style, you can choose anything like italic, or you can change it to bold, you can see, and you can change it to mono. You can choose any text style you want over here. So let's select it all and tap on the three dotted icon, and let's tap on the mono, and over here you can see the text style is changing over here, or the font style is changing over here. So let's select it all, and let's just go to the italic, and the fonts are italic over here. So let's turn off the mono by going to regular, and let's change it to italic, and you can see, guys, it's italic. Now let's send it, and you can see, guys, this is the way how you will be able to change font style in Telegram. And there, guys, this is how to change font style in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.